Underground, overground, wombling free. The wombles of the Costa Blanca are wandering free, making the most of the things that they find, things that the everyday folks leave behind. Here's a womble. This is a Vanlife Womble in the Costa Blanca, and this womble picks things up and finds and makes things with them. And this is one of the things that she made.
This is a washer with some rope. I found both things.
That's a metal washer. This has kind of gone rusty and mud coated, and it's got some paint on it as well, so it's a really nice effect. Let's do a little close up. Isn't that lovely? Very ethnic, and that is actually a shoelace. So it's a wear one day, throw away the next necklace, because it's tied in at the back, so we'll have to cut it off later. So there you go, that's a Vanlife Womble. What have you got there?
This I'm going to find a stick and I'm going to
Hold it still so we can see it.
And this I'm going to find a stick and I'm going to screw it on. I found another one that was rusty, but after the gas bomb.
Hold your hand still.
After the gas bomb, it disappeared. I don't know.
Oh yeah, everything blew apart. Yes, this is the reason why we're making the video, the gas explosion. We had a gas explosion next to our van recently. It was a portable butane gas stove, and they are apparently ticking time bombs. And so we're making lots of silly videos like this one to help expose the dangers posed by these gas stoves. Please watch my video on the gas explosion and like it and share it on your social media wherever you can to help raise awareness of these dangerous gas stoves. Bye! Say bye!